Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to create an account in Brave browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Brave browser on your computer. Once it's loaded up, you'll need to navigate to the account creation page. In the address bar at the top, type in account.brave.com and press enter. This is Brave's official account portal where you can set up your new account and access all the features tied to it. Once the page loads, you'll see a simple interface with a field asking for your email address. This is where you'll begin the account creation process. Click into the designated email field and type in the email address you want to associate with your Brave account. Make sure it's an email you have access to, as you'll need to verify it in the next step. After entering your email, look for the button that says Get Login Link and click on it. This triggers Brave to send a verification email to the address you just entered, which you'll use to complete the account setup. Now, while that email is being sent, you'll want to check your inbox. Open a new tab in your browser so you can access your email without losing the Brave account page. You can do this by clicking the plus icon at the top of your browser or using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and T. Once the new tab opens, navigate to your email provider and log in if you haven't already. In your inbox, look for an email from Brave. It should arrive within a few seconds, though sometimes it may take a minute or two depending on your email service. The subject line will typically mention logging in or verifying your account. Open that email, and inside, you'll see a button or link that says Login to Brave. Click on that link. This is the verification step that confirms you own the email address and want to create an account with Brave. After clicking the link, Brave will automatically handle the rest. The browser processes your verification and creates your account in the background without requiring you to fill out any additional forms or set passwords. It's a streamlined process designed to get you up and running quickly. Once the account is created, you'll be logged in automatically and can start using all the features that come with having a Brave account, like syncing your data across devices and accessing rewards. And that's it. You've successfully created your Brave account using just your email address. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.